I see you walking on the other side. Different views, we can't see to get it right. But something in my heart just won't let go of the truth I've always known. What would love do in this moment? What would love say through the pain? What would love choose when it's broken? Help me see your face again. We've built these walls so high and strong, and love was never meant to take this long. To break through all our fear and pride and find the peace inside. Ooh, what would love do in this moment? What would love say through the pain? What would love choose when it's broken? Help me see your face again.
Listen up, I'm speaking from my heart today, about the bridges that we burned along the way. Red state, blue state, why we gotta separate? When we're all God's children, why we hesitate? Same blood running through these veins, same tears falling in the rain. Different views don't make us enemies. Time to live what Jesus taught us to believe. One nation under God, divided we've stood, but unity's possible when we do what love would. Not talking politics, talking heart to heart. Healing starts with me, therefore that's where we need to start. Love would reach across, love would make a way, love would build a bridge, love would choose to stay. What would love do in this moment? What would love say through the pain? What would love choose when it's broken? Help me see your face again.